Hi, this is Tiger from RobotDigg. Today is September 30. We're going to have a week holiday from October 1st to October 8th. That's Mid-Autumn Day and National Day holidays. Mid-Autumn Day, you may know, it's about moons, so it's moon cake and moons. Moon, we call it Moon Day. Besides the moons, there is another phenomenon maybe you have interest in. That's the world's largest tidal ball. You can see this. This is just nearby Shanghai, which is in Hangzhou, and the river called Qiantang River. So it's Qiantang River tide. So the water comes through the river from the sea to Jiaxing and Hangzhou. Yeah, so it's very unique in the world. Today I just want to tell that we stopped to shipping out orders from today because our colleagues are going back hometown or travel from today. And also in Europe, we stopped to ship out orders after the day night, Beijing time, which is 3 o'clock in the afternoon, 3 o'clock p.m. Yeah. So orders during holidays and today will be arranged out around October 8 to 12. So you still can put your orders on RobotDigg. This is the first thing I want to tell, and the second one is I just want to explain the pricing on RobotDigg. There is some request about the price, just like this one, 3-axis CNC engraver. So here it is. So you can see there are 4 part numbers. So that means you need to click on the options for the pricing, like this one. So for the latest upgraded V4 desktop 5-axis CNC engraver, the price is $4,000 US. It's not just 400. So what is the price for 400? 400 is enclosure. You can see here that the part number is V4 enclosure. So what kind of enclosure it is? So you can see here is an enclosure. This enclosure is just for the V3, but the V4 enclosure is some kind the same. Yeah, is some kind of same or similar. So we can see another pricing that you can when I click on the deskit V3.3. So that's the price for the 3.3 5-axis CNC engraver, and for the enclosure, the price is also $400 US. So don't mix up the price between part numbers. You just click on the options for the pricing. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to RobotDigg. You will get more details about the RobotDigg. RobotDigg empower engineers. Thank you.